Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you a full logo design project, from start to finish. Please leave a feedback if you like this video. Make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in comments the most important information you find in tutorial, or if you will have some questions feel free to ask. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet, and have a nice watching. So select the ellipse tool, and make a circle of radius 300 points. Make stroke points like 70 points. Now we use line segment, make like an example. Now select both objects after go to object and expand. To convert on stroke and fill form. So now it is a fill object. Now this rectangle extend to align the circle. Next thing is to copy this circle once, which we will use after. Now select both object. And use shape builder, just make one object. And this one another one. We need to paste the circle which we copied, press Ctrl F. What we need now a certain piece of this. And rest we need to subtract. We will use a rectangle. And another one like that. After select both rectangles, go to Pathfinder and combine it. Now select the circle and this two combined rectangles, go to Pathfinder and subtract. So the last piece of circle we have. Now we will put the colors. Select the small piece. And go to use eyedropper tool. And select color. After we swap tools, press V, selection tool, press I, eyedropper tool. And select color. And last part the same move. Now we select the main part of object, after we use gradient tool. Just experiment how you like. If you okay with color, we move to next part. Now we will press the selection tool. After G the gradient tool. And put the color. And the last part, first V the selection tool. After G the gradient tool, and put the color. Nice and easy, just like that. So now we have a professional logo just in 3 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have some questions feel free to ask in comments or email, as well leave a feedback if you like this type of video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. See you in next video, which will be in a day. Take care.